Welcome to the HardReset.Info Poco M5s, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that, click here to the settings and tap to voice. Then click to voice match, and to activate Hey Google option we should click here once on the switcher, and now we should say Hey Google. Or just let's click to next, to yes I agree, to continue, tap to not now, and we should now add our voice model. So click here retain voice model and say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, reminds me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's tap to finish, and when we'll say Hey Google or OK Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.